Yeah, girl, this corona out here serious, ain't it? I know, right?
I know.
And you know, shit, these heifers out here, desperate times comes for desperate measures. And
That's
ain't got no
true.
money, not me, girl.
That's true, girl.
Shoot, I don't know how they make it. I know. Well, girl, you just need to, you know, put your money up. That's what they should have done.
you you telling the truth, girl.
I know, right?
Uh-huh.
Girl, out here doing whatever and whatever, girl. Out here hoeing. Girl, I know it.
You couldn't have said it better yourself.
Yeah.
Mm.
Gonna catch corona or the cootie bird.
I, shut up, girl.
Yes, I know it.
Ain't that the truth?
Girl,
You
I
doing
tell
way
you,
too
I
much.
don't know. Hey, they be doing too much.
Mm.
You know, I've been celibate, and that's what they need to do.
Shut up. I'm glad you're
Out here doing it with any and everybody,
everything,
girl. And these people got all types of diseases. Girl, I know it.
I knew you got fearing. You don't do all
Mm-hmm.
that. I know it. Wait a minute, girl. What was that?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know what that was.
Okay, good.
But yeah, girl, you know ain't nobody trying to be out there doing all that, and these fools got all type of stuff.
Preach, girl.
Mm-mm.
I know that's right. Wait, was that a cough? Where it coming from? Girl, it's your Cody Bird coffee.
Oh, oh,
Girl, you been out here hungry. What?
I don't know. I
Girl,
just trying to make a little cash.
girl, yo, Cody Bird got the corona, girl. Get away from you.